Alright, so we had to pull out the big pan for all these wings today. It's about 50 or so wings in here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to season them up and make them taste good to fry. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken up. And I'm going to do it a little differently today to give it some more flavor. I'm going to add some salad dressing. This is some creamy Caesar. And I'm going to add enough to spread around. Normally, we just add the mustard, the famous yellow mustard. I'm going to add a little bit of that too. Kosher salt. And your regular seasonings. You know, whatever makes you feel happy. So I'm going to add some onion and garlic powder. That was the garlic. The onion. Poultry. It's going to give your chicken a nice little herby flavor. Add some smoked paprika. And I'm seasoning this chicken as if I wasn't going to add the sauce. So I may leave some pieces just without sauce on them and just fry it like regular chicken. So I'm going to still season it the way I normally would. Give this a good mix. And we're going to let this sit to the side for a second. Give this a good mix. Make sure everything is nice and coated. Okay. Go ahead and grab you some flour. We're going to use some all-purpose flour. All right, let me wash my hands first. And for the flour, I'm just going to go ahead and add it in here just like this. And I want it to be kind of sticky. So that way when it fries, it's a nice coating on it. So your batter is going to be sticky. Okay. This big bowl is helping me move this chicken around nice and easy. Make sure all that flour is on it good. Your hand should look somewhat like this. And that's it for now. We're going to let this chicken just sit here for a second so it can get, you know, acquainted very well. And then we'll be ready to go ahead and fry it.